Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is November 11th, 2021. It is close to about 10 minutes before the open. Let's start taking a look at the futures today. And what we might do is we'll probably try to do those three once again to show you different types of methodologies. So, on the risk disclaimer, all forms of trading carry high level of risk, so you should speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved and, if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock market. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty. Get to the proper screen here. Of course. There we go. Okay, good morning everybody. Mr. Mike here, and what we're going to do is I'll try to do the same thing as yesterday. We don't know. We're getting close. It looks like we're getting close to the highs, and we'll start looking at the numbers once again. See if there's going to be a pullback for a continuation, or are we bottlenecked? Okay, so let's start taking a look at news. Everything's in the green, which is a good thing, and I don't know if CNBC is working anymore for me, so I'll just check here. It's been a while. Yeah, it's always, I don't know why it's always gray. Unless they don't allow it anymore, I don't know why. Yeah, everything's screwed up there, I don't know why. So I can't use that anymore. So what we're gonna, actually, you know what we'll do is we'll just look at the news. Stock rise, leads shares as Nvidia soars, John Malone. Misguided land rush. Batteries are the new oil. AstraZeneca antibody drug tests, 80% effective, preventing whatever. Alberta shares, or Alibaba shares drop 8%. Okay, we're going to find out. Now on the Fox business side, just on the green, work agreements, back to normal. Don't trust that guy anyways. He's not a doctor, so I don't care. And U.S. asks big countries to coordinate release from oil reserves. Well, I mean, they were drilling before. I was in the oil industry. Now he's asking for oil. They're all idiots, I swear. I don't care what government it is. Anyways, let's get into the markets, and we will see exactly what's happening today. So this chart here, once again, is a YM chart. And as you can see, I created the high, basically the high and the low. So what I can do is, what we'll do is you can do a 3-second chart, but let's just go to a 5-minute chart to see exactly where we are. We had a major pull down, looks like, well actually there was hardly any movement today, as you can see here. So it was a big move, looks like yesterday, big sell off, and looks like they're bottoming out. Maybe we can hit the bottom and push up. You can see your volume out of control here, another kind of volume out of control here. But if it does break out of this 35961, or out of the 70% zones, basically the two areas, and maybe we can go back to maybe this area here. You can see a clump here, or if it really takes off here. That's what we're going to look for. But because we're day trading, we'll just micro it. And I created the lines here. As you can see, the trend is going down, and hopefully we can break through. So we'll see how much it vibrates, and we are positive in the delta, and we won't worry about the volume right now. Second thing, what we're going to do is we're going to look at, this is the ES. Where am I not getting? Oh, you know why? I have to go with this. I'll move the ES over. Right there. There's the ES. So with the ES, we've been vibrating for a long time here. So it looks like the market moved up quite a bit. Actually, you know what we can do? Let's go from here to here and see what the volume point of control is, if it will show it. We'll find out right away here. Hopefully it will show it. A lot of contracts just bouncing up and down, but nothing's really happening here. I don't know why this was not showing, but whatever. Let's just leave it then. So, as you can see, we had that big run. So So this would have been possible, yeah, we're at the 50% zone, and if we can get to 127.1409, if it does go up. Okay, and I will go like this. I'll put that one there. I'll open it up here. I'll open it up there. Now I'll get my other one. Hawaiian chart here. I will move it across. See if we can get any good trades in today with these two. Move that there. And we're good to go. Now on the NASDAQ side, it's going to be on NASDAQ side. Okay, let's start. See, we're tapping right up here, guys. See, just tap, tap, tap. Really, really tight. And where's our volume point control? So we're at 97 volume point control with this high reserve from 4 in the morning. So they might be playing in the zone. We really got to watch, but this is our trade line here. And as you can see, it's really heavy and it's trying to break this target 1. Let's open this up a little bit more. I don't trust it right now because it is heavy. Delta is strong though. We got 5 minutes before open. And let's see if she really pulls down. If it pulls down, let's go look at the original chart. See, we're in the bullish. We're actually right on an order block. Right on an order block. Hopefully we can pop back to the original zone. And they're still trying, yeah, there's the order block there. They're still trying to break it. And I made these 2 lines because that's where the actually ultimate high was. And we are actually, we got 1 day left before the buy phase kicks in. So we'll find out here. And last but not least, as you can see, she's squeezing. So we could have a major breakout. We're not sure yet. Or a major breakdown. It's squeezing really tight right now. But it did go 0.84. So if it said 0.84, maybe we can get down to maybe this zone here where there's some support and resistance and pop up again. We don't know yet. And where is the lower point of volume control is basically where this mini bar down here. Yeah, so we'll find out. It's just really ugly right now. What's happening on this zone here? So if I can get the transition again. There we go. We're all good to go here. We are good to go. Okay, and I'll be back in a back. Okay, let's see what's going to happen here. I don't like it right here for the YM because the YM is actually getting into the market maker zone. So if it goes 70, 60, 50, 40, you might get into the market maker, bounce down and fire back up. We are in a sell trend here. I want this red to turn blue. It's really tight though. And ES is still fighting down, but it looks like it should be going up. So let's take a look at that. And what I might do is I'll just say do buy
order submitted.
I'll just have that one ready. That's the only way I think I'm going to go for now. That'll be only $100, but that's fine. We've got to make sure that's correct. Let's see here. Just want to make sure it's correct. Yeah, I'm on my proper account. So we're good to go for that one. Now the market is open, so we're having a major sell-off here. Going into the baseline. Gotta watch the NQ. NQ has crashed really hard. Is it doing a bounce back? That's my question. I'm gonna see if it's gonna hit that support and resistance line or they're gonna play. They're still in the, they can go to 75. That's as far as I want to see to go. 75 on the sell-off. This is within the market maker here. This is not even moving, so I'm going to show
order
this out.
canceled.
And what I want to see, I'm going to check the other chart right now, see where we are. Okay, I'm going to transition so you see what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at here. There's a big sell-off right here. It needs to break this zone. If it breaks that zone, I might jump in. Okay, let's go for it.
Order filled.
Now let's see if I can get a few points here. Because we're at 30.65. We're going to do a really aggressive bounce, but it should go to 40. Because that's a total fail there. Now we're breaking out of the market maker on the other zone. So I'm going to sell market on
Order
YM
filled.
as well. And then I'm going to sell market on the ES.
Order
So I've
filled.
got all three going right now. Where can this one go to? This one can get to, let's see if we can get $200 on, $200 on this one. I'll wait for this one. We're down 125. We're break even on the other one, so we'll see if it pushes down one more time. We're really going to push this one down yet. They're not done. There's a major sell-off here, so they'll still keep on pushing for a little bit here. 125 down on one, $12.50 on the other. Yeah, they're gonna aggressively sell. Volume point of control is still building up. Where can we go on the other zone here? How far can we go down? 40, possibly 40. Okay, so we know we're on 40 here. That's, okay, so $50 positive on the ES right now. Maybe we can get to 84 on that one. Keep on pushing. Let's get an aggressive sell-off once again. $90, keep on going. See if we can get to 50. You know what, we'll try to get to 50. We'll go buy limit, 50.25.
Order submitted.
So we'll go 50.25 there. YM is actually failing on my side, go figure. We'll see what happens here. Keep on pushing. We're going to hit 50.25 on that one. We were in profit on the YM. Come on, push it. I know we can get to 50. One more punch, guys. 50 on that one. YM's ES is just holding. Here we go, we're breaking down on that one. We're trying to buy back here. They'll do one more punch here. They haven't hit this zone here, so we're okay. We'll let them play. Okay, and on YM, we're getting back into profit. Let's see, where can we go on YM here? What's the lower zone? It's gonna be tight, so. See if we can get a, so we're 62 profit, 87, 100, 112 profit on ES. NQ will go down. They're still fighting. They're gonna punch that one down. We are in profit on YM. I would like to see YM at least $100 profit. You know, I'm gonna switch over this transition, let's transition, so you can see what I'm saying. So we're 75.62. This is just holding, but this thing's gonna pop down one more time. We're at red here, so that's good. NQ is really fighting in that zone there, but she will pop down for one more punch. This delta is crashing, so we're good there. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sell one more here.
Order filled.
Because this will come down a little bit. They're just buying back here. They're vibrating here. This will be an ejection pump. This one I might actually have to shut down on this order here. We'll see if it goes down. $37.50 there, we're 200 down there. Come on, we had it. We're just buying back their product here. This is going to be one more punch coming down. Let me see where we are here at the bottom here. Just one more punch. We'll have to close this one off here. And 20 breakdown. One more breakdown.
Order
We'll close that one
filled.
for $15. That one didn't work for us. So we're on the YM, we're still holding, or the NQ, we're still holding 12.50 on the other one. We're gonna wait till this one stops vibrating. And then I'm gonna watch the NQ really crash here right away here. Because they've been holding for a long time. We'll get to the 50 level. So this one actually, I wish I could have kept the YM there for a while. You can get the 84 on the ES. NQ is fighting like crazy. They're gonna do one more sell off here. It's been going, moving up way too slowly for the fight, so that's why I'm not worried about it. They're buying like crazy on the YM right now. And then we're gonna watch for the second sell off. On the NQ, I mean. Okay, here's our sell off now. Let's see. Where are we on the sell off? Perfect. $12.50. Basically, ES has not moved at all for us. YM is still trying to figure it out. NQ has been trying to really work its way out, but she's going to fail right away here. Just waiting. $12.50 on ES. This is crazy. This one's not even moving. They'll play for a while before they punch down even farther. We're just watching the grouping here. Waiting for the next major sell-off. Y is playing really slow. ES is finally on the move. Hopefully NQ is going to do its sell-off right away here. We're really close to the sell-off. And there's the YM sell-off. They're still holding. It's starting to break down. This one's starting to break down. Now I need an NQ sell-off right away here. We've got 15 more minutes, so this 15-minute mark, we should see hopefully a punch down. Yeah, we'll see a punch down here coming up. Just right now, I just don't like it. It's just holding right here. This one, I like to see it punched out to 84. And then for the NQ, I'm just watching right now. It's just floating. There should be one more sell off. And they're playing right here in this zone, so I'm not going to worry about this. And this one, they're playing in this zone as well. That's holding everywhere. There's the buy off, sell off. 112 there, 115 there. There should be one more sell off now. Okay, there's the YM sell off, so that's working perfectly. 50, 80, 75, 87. We're gonna see if this thing pops through now. This is crazy, the swings that are happening right now. Let's break down now. $37.50 there. Still watching my other one. She's just whipping all back and forth here. We're going to see if this breaks down. I might actually put a buy-in order or sell order here. Looking at 3 charts is kind of hard. Okay, we're at $100 here. If I can get to $100 again, I'll close that one. I'll watch it again. Sorry, I missed that one. Keep on pushing down. 89 to 84, shooting to 84. There's a lot of fighting going on. Let's look to the left of the trade right here. Yeah, we're really close. $112, $125, $137, $150.
Order filled.
Okay, got $142 there. And then I'll start looking. Oh, this one actually dropped. I missed that move. And look at it, she finally popped. We missed that. Now all I have left right now is the NQ. And yeah, she's falling like a stone now. I should have kept it on this one. I should have grabbed it right on that bar there, but that's okay. But there is a sell-off going on right now, so. We need to get to 50. And this one's dropping like a stone now. And negative 600 contracts here. We need another pullback there before I can get in. Well, you know what? I'll sell market here.
Order filled.
And we'll make $100 here really quickly, the way she's moving. Here's good momentum on that one. We can get to 85, probably to 50 if she keeps on going. Usually you put your order up here and here, but she's already at a good momentum, so we're good to go there. This one we could probably do a sell breakout.
Order
More
submitted.
time. And that's at 87, 86, 85, so that will be good here. It's just that NQ, I'm still waiting for the NQ to break down. She's just holding. Should be able to get $100 there. This is just waiting. Down. that's going down. We'll wait for that to go down, $100 there, and then we are rocking here. $40 there so far. Still working on NQ. NQ is not moving at all, it's just bouncing for me. 50, 55. Gotta watch NQ. She's starting to possibly break down. Keeping on. 55, 60. How much time do we have? 3 minutes before
Order
5 o'clock,
filled.
So that's good. So we'll hit 8 o'clock here. 25. Hopefully we get to 75. Still pushing down. Give it a few more minutes. That will break down. Back $125 here, which isn't good. Let's put it there for now. This will push down. 3 minutes left for the last impulse move. Holding there, $5. Ooh, $275 back, 2 contracts, not good. It's okay. This will.
Order filled.
There we go. Wrapped it up with $737 today, guys. Whippy day. Sorry, I should have showed you the other screen. I wasn't paying attention. So anyways, what we did is basically at top of the hour, 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock, we played in the whip. And the reason why I didn't trade all three is I kept up watching this. I was using this as a leading indicator as well as watching everything else bounce. And you're going to say, what am I allowing it to whip up and whip down, whip up and whip down? The bottom line is as soon as I saw this breaking down, I probably could have kept on getting a few contracts here and here, but I was trying to focus on NASDAQ because NASDAQ was whipping $1,000 either way, $1,000 either way, up and down, up and down. And so because it's so whippy, and I have to focus on that and also focus on the ES, because the ES is $12.50 a contract, so I had 2 of them at 50. So it doesn't look like it's moving much, but it fought forever around the 10 o'clock area, and then she popped. I could have waited for 10 for a breakout. I got the first one thinking this one worked, and the second one was holding or whatever, and then away it went. And now she's off to the races, but we've already made $737.50, so we are done for today. YM strategy is I use kind of like the tick zone, tick range quarters. ES, I like using this for ES because it is so much slower, and we're trying to use 3 different strategies. And of course, you see me doing a tons of NQ stuff. Damn, I should have left it run. Jeez, now NQ's exploding. Go figure. Waited for that whole stupid half hour. Anyways, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'm on the Discord and also, ABC Trader. I'll be changing the shopping cart a bit, and then we'll go from there. Other than that, pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.